Some of you will be thinking, maybe I'm a nurse or a nutritionist. I am not. I am your tie and dye tutor. So welcome back to class. If you are interested in tie and dye, and as a beginner, I'm talking about beginner, you are in the right place. And if you're a teacher, because I've had several cases like that, there are some teachers, they want to teach their students, they are not artists, but they want to teach their students how a craft, handwork. But they are thinking that I wish to teach that and that, but I don't know how to go about it. This is the right place. I think this is the right place. So you need to write so that you not forget. You need to write and watch to the end. So let's get started. Today we are going to talk about the materials for making tie and dye. I'm not talking about batik. I said tie and dye. So let's go. Number one, the first thing to consider when doing a tie and dye is space. Space. If you don't have a space, don't try it. Because you need space. You need enough space to, because of the chemical, because of the smell, you need an open space to do your tie and dye. Especially the sulfite. Sulfite smells a lot. So you need space. And number two is your fabric. I don't want to talk about fabric. I don't want to tell stories about fabric for now. Your fabric, and it must be 100% cotton. Because if it is polyester, don't try it because this our VAT dye is for 100% cotton. Its fabric comes in different colors. We have white, we have blue, we have red, we have green, depending on what you want. And you must be, as a beginner, you need a light color. Don't go and use, because you need to know how to combine color before thinking of dyeing fabric. If you don't know how to combine color, don't go and be buying different colors. As for me, I can use different colors. This fabric you are seeing came as green. Like even people were rejecting, they said they don't know. But because I know how to combine it, that was why I bought it. You understand? So as a beginner, try as much as possible to get lighter colors like white, yellow. We have this very cream color. They are cream color. And number two, your raffia. Your raffia. Raffia is very important. And what is raffia used for? Raffia is used for tying fabric. Like that is what we use in tying fabric. But if you don't, what if I don't have raffia now? There are alternatives like twine, tire tube, and so on. So that time we talk about that one in improvisation. So you need your glove to protect your hands from getting stained. You need your apron. You need your net to cover your hair because of chemical reactions. Okay, you need your scissors for cutting. After tying the fabric, you need something to cut. And I will not advise blade. Some of you will carry blade and be cutting. You know, after dyeing, the fabric becomes slippery. And when you use blade to cut it, you can mistakenly cut your fabric. See, just get scissors. Because I remember there was a time I did the fabric, like after producing it, after dyeing the fabric, and I said, I just use my hand to pull it out. It's a normal, regular thing now. No experience now. Pull, pull. At last, this cloth torn. And that cloth was a customer's cloth. So please use scissors and cut carefully. We also have our chemicals. So we have the caustic soda and we have the solvents. They are very important. You need to know about solvents. That one will be in another class. So they are very important. We need our dye. And dyes come in different color. But note, in this bath dye, no white dye. So that some of you will not go and get black fabric thinking you will see a white dye to change it. Also, we have our boots, like you can wear your rubber boots. We have our dyeing bowl. So, but you need a very big one, and buckets to fetch clean water. You need more than one bowl. And sometimes we need net, chicken nets. If you don't know this kind of nets, they use it for chicken. You just go to where they sell building materials and tell them you need chicken net, because I will tell you the essence of this in another video so that my video will not be too long. So you need a table. Because most time, it's not so healthy to be bending down every time. You want to tie, you bend down. You want to dye fabric, you bend down. So it's better you have a table, a working table. Also, your polythene bag, the wide one, very wide. What is the essence? To cover your table. When you cover your table, it will prevent your table from getting stained. We are still talking about materials for tie and dye. Do you understand? So when you are preparing for something like this, make sure you have things like this for the work to be easy for you. Also, you need stash. This our fabric now. Sometimes the way it looks like it's, but when you want to do shakara with Kampala, if you want to do shakara with Kampala, you need stash. Like again, that stash they eat, still the same stash we use for stashing fabric, and it will not smell. You need to know how to prepare stash. Your nose cover. Your nose cover is necessary. You need water, clean water. You need warm water to mix your chemical. There are some dyes that doesn't need warm water, but my own advice, please use warm water. Some people use caustic soda to warm the water first before putting their dyes. But I will advise you to get the warm water. In the process, you get your kettle, your stove or gas. You need basket. What do you use it for? In the process of doing marbling, you make use of basket to sprinkle your dye. It will be fast for you. You understand? So you need basket for marbling. Only marbling. So if you find this video helpful, please subscribe, like and share so that you can even see more of our videos. Bye.